Hello folks, and welcome once again to Blackjack Motorcars LLC. We're located in Brandon, Florida, right near the intersection of Interstate 75 and Florida Highway 60. Our phone number is 813-340-0918. We work by appointment. When you see something in inventory, you want to take a look at it, give us a call. Morning, noon, night, weekends, doesn't matter. We'll make a time, set up a time that's convenient with you to come and see it. Today I want to show you a very nice truck we've got in stock. This is a 2003 Dodge 3500, Ram 3500 with the Cummings 24 valve 5.9 diesel. Again, this engine, one of the best engines Dodge ever put in a truck. It will pull anything you want it to pull. This is a two-wheel drive dually. It only has 137,000 miles on it. Folks, it's barely broken in. Beautiful black finish. The front tires, they're all 10 ply, but the front tires are brand new. The back ones are nearly new. Good tread all around. You definitely wouldn't need to put tires on it for quite a while. Running boards, ice cold AC, clearance lights. Very, very good condition. I've taken this truck twice up to Georgia. What a pleasure it is to drive. Has a roll-up tonneau cover that will roll up and you can strap it open right there. Has the bars for a fifth wheel hitch inside. If you want to tow a fifth wheel, the bars are still installed there. All you need is the hitch unit. I have one if you need one. There's the inside plug if you're towing a fifth wheel, and your outside plug if you're towing a trailer. Beautiful views, got the back brake light. This is a Florida truck. Absolutely no rust on the body or the frame. Very, very nice condition. Has the mirrors if you're towing something large. These mirrors will flip up like that, give you better sight around your trailer. Has a cloth interior, no rips or tears. It has a programmer installed on it, which we have left it in tow mode or stock mode. That's all this truck needs to pull anything you want to pull it. No need to put it in the excessive modes that start blowing smoke. Plugs right into the port here. If you want to disconnect it, very easily to do. Have your Reese electric hitch, ice cold air. There you can see there, 137,000 miles. Power windows, power mirrors, power driver's seat. This middle part is a console. Now flip down for an armrest, but if you want to carry 6 people in this truck, you flip that up and you can. Nice back seat storage here. The bottom of the back seats flip up for more storage space. This is just a great truck. Like I said, I've taken it on 2 trips to Georgia and back. Just runs absolutely fantastic. So if you need a work truck or a pleasure truck and you need to do a lot of work for you, pull whatever you need to pull, folks, come take a look at this truck. I think you'll fall in love with it like I did. Again, we're Blackjack Motorcars here in Brandon, Florida. Our number is 813-340-0918. We have a slogan here at Blackjack Motorcars: when you come see us, you'll never go bust. Folks, thanks for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.